A is for apple, juicy and sweet. B is for ball that bounces to your feet. C is for cat, saying meow, meow, meow. D is for dog, saying bow, wow, wow. E is for elephant, big and tall. F is for fish, swimming in the water all. G is for goat, jumping on the hill. H is for hat that looks so cool. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. J is for jelly that wiggles and rolls. K is for kite, flying up so high. L is for lion, the king so proud. N is for monkey, swinging on a tree. N is for nest with birds, 1, 2, 3. O is for orange, juicy to eat. P is for chunga, so cute and sweet. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for sun, shining bright today. T is for tiger, running to play. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for van, driving down the lane. W is for whale, splashing in the sea. X is for uniform, a phone, ding, ding, dee. Y is for yak, walking in the snow. Z is for zebra with stripes that show. Now we sang our ABC. Come and sing along with me. A to Z is fun to see. Learning letters 1, 2, 3. Now we sang our ABC. Come and sing along with me. A to Z is fun to see. Learning letters 1, 2, 3. La 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 la. La 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 la. A is for apple, juicy and sweet. B is for ball that bounces to your feet.